Oh, hey there. How y'all doing today? You ready for another installment of the Blueberry Rambles? I know you don't like these, but hey, I enjoy sharing them with you. Anyway, my blueberries seem to be doing good this year. I've got 3 in pots. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. I put the rest in the ground. That one was an offshoot of one. This one came out of one of these big barrels. It's doing good in the ground. This one, not so much, but it's making it. And that one back there. I'm going to throw some fertilizer to them this year. Maybe. Anyway, life is like blueberry plants. If you take care of them, they'll take care of you. If you set them free and put them in the ground, sometimes they do good with a little bit of care. But most part, everything's, if you put, and that's another episode of the Blueberry Rambles. Thank you all for watching.